for your handmade. Okay. Okay, so let's continue for the ring by these beads. It's going to be another design here. If you want to learn, you can stay in my live streaming. I always shoot the different tutorials every day. Okay, here I cut two pieces of wire. This one 15 centimeter, and let's go to wrapper. We can make it in another way, easy but similar look. Okay, here wrapper, the wrapper. Here. Every day we share the different tutorials, and we are making another ring here. If some friends you want to try the wire wrapper, you can get a pack of copper wire. Test the quality. Test if you love to do handmade. Okay, Kate F. Here. Wrapper. So you guys will find that I use my top finger to tight the wire, so it's become neat, and tight. Here, tight, neat. Here, free tutorial here. Stella, your name bless you. Hi, Lilian. Thank you. Yeah, this one. You can wire wrapper technique. Actually, when you do it more practice, you can make it easy. Yeah, you can use. I know that Tanya V is can make the wrapper so good. The wire, please. Wire is 6-inch, two piece, 6-inch for the thick, and actually you can cut it like a 5-inch or 4-inch is no problem. I often cut too long, and for the thinner wire 0.4 is the size here. Is this size, and I cut it 1 meter. 1 meter is 3.3 feet. Okay, here 26 gauge. Yes, 26 gauge equal to 0.4 millimeter. See, you can see we wrap. This is the technique. You can wrap the piece very neat. Yeah. So this wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. Here. Tight. tight, tight, tight. Here. This way you can even go shower, go swimming, no problem. It's non-tannish. If you are worried about the quality, you can just get a small order, test the quality. Or you can check my TikTok page. The first two videos, it show you where you can order in my shop. Yeah, I'm not a shop sells online on live streaming only. You can, even I'm not go live, you can order in my shop. Live streaming is a place that shows you how to use them, and to see the DIY ideas, also to learn the way, and also to see the real effect. For some sides you don't understand, you have the question on buy the materials, you just ask in live, and the other time you can order directly from the shop. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Southern Crab. I think Blue Moon maybe she want to learn is that spring flower. Yeah. Here. Okay, we are already up 6 centimeter, and here I stop it. Then after stop, let's see, we can here separately. I just check. Let's do it like a flower petal. Here. Okay. So we are fold it in this way. And this one, the same. Okay. It's the same way here. And this one also. Okay, So you see it looks like this way. Then we'll go to bend it. Total length here with wrapper is 6. Yeah. Then we go bend it. This one I'm not cut it. Okay, I think this bead 4 millimeter little small. I maybe go tight with a little big. Let me try if this bead is too small. Okay, it's not bad. Just a wrapper. Okay, here. It's a cute small beads design. It's like a cover. Maybe can be put with beads bigger. It's like the cover of the like a flower cover for the beads. Okay. Here is size 8. It's make the band 2 side, then lock it at the end. Okay, here let's see. It's a cute piece. This one. So the back and the top. Okay, so cute piece, right? Here. Okay, done. We done 2 ring today. Here. It's interesting. This is the idea actually from this one. From this, the idea from the ring here. Before we make it to a butterfly, now this time we make it to a little flower here. Maybe it can be a big size beads. It's not bad. Yes, size 8. It's a size 8 here. Cute. Cute. Okay, so today the tutorial is this 2 ring. You got it the way. Someone you can, if you are interested, you can try to make the one of them. Try to make one of them. Here. Okay, so next